As the number of patients lining up at pop-up COVID-19 testing sites grows, so are the complaints about lengthy delays and confusing results. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey joins us live outside a collection site in the Loop with yet another patient's testing troubles. Megan.
Right, Erica, Donald Reynolds got one PCR test at this COVID-19 testing site here in the Loop, but two different results. And now we're learning there's some questions about the lab's certifications.
Well, the other week I wasn't feeling that great. I had a little cough, and my wife wanted me to go get tested.
Donald Reynolds visited this Loop COVID-19 pop-up on December 29th at 2:44 p.m. And on New Year's Day, he got the email that his PCR test was positive.
So I was like, okay, I'm going to quarantine. I'm going to be away from my wife and my father-in-law, not going around you guys.
But in the middle of his quarantine, 3 days later, he got this email saying his PCR was negative. The same test from the 29th collected at 2:44 p.m.
So I don't know if I have it, if I don't have it, but I'm married and I have an elderly father-in-law I can't take a chance with. So I am wearing a mask until I find out for sure what's going on.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Your call cannot be completed.
It took us a couple of tries to get through to Express Medical Labs to try to ask what happened. A phone operator told me they couldn't comment due to privacy laws. But I also asked about this. It says on your lab results as well that you're accredited by the College of American Pathologists. Well, we reached out to the College of American Pathologists, or CAP, which told us that's wrong. They're not CAP accredited. I was told a lab director would call me back.
Is there an oversight? What happened to the oversight? Who's responsible for this?
We took those questions to Sebastian Heido.
However, there is not sufficient infrastructure or regulation around just collectors.
Chief Operating Officer at Cameo, a COVID-19 testing company that works with only labs that are CAP or COLA, Commission on Office Laboratory Accreditation, certified. Basically, they're an extra layer of scrutiny. He also said the majority of errors in the testing process occur in the collection.
But still, I expect to see the number of independent testing sites, like you mentioned. I think mom and pops will come and go, and hopefully there's some consolidation to make sure that there's process and standards that are being met across all of those different sites.
Now, for the sake of transparency, we should note that Cameo provides COVID-19 testing for CBS 2 employees. Now, as for Express Medical Labs, a representative from the lab did call me late this afternoon. And as for that accreditation, they said they have passed 2 surveys. They made steps to become CAP accredited. So they're going to be reaching out to that organization to see if there are any other steps that they might still need to take. And in the meantime, they're going to be taking that seal off of their materials until this is all straightened out. Live in the Loop, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.